We freaking did it, guys. Thank you so much for getting the channel to 50,000 subscribers. I really do appreciate each and every one of you and help me reach that milestone. It's a big milestone for me. I know it might be still considered a small channel, but certainly it's big to me. Now is the time, after reaching the 50,000 goal and helping me get to that finish line, it's time to give away the 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. It's going to be this video that you're going to have to comment on in order to be eligible to win one of these 5 kits. I will be doing the drawing on May 10th, so you do have just over a week to enter to win. And to be eligible, you have to be a U.S. resident, and that's just part of the rules because it's complicated doing anything for anyone that's overseas in other countries. So it's going to be U.S. residents only, and to be eligible to win, simply leave a comment below and they'll get you entered to win. And I'll do that drawing on May 10th, which is Mother's Day. Again, thank you so much. Now let's head to Harbor Freight. All right, I'm back at Harbor Freight and they just dropped some new ITC deals for the month of May. And these deals are going to be starting May 1st and going till May 28th. So you have majority of the month to capture them. And depending on when you're watching this video, you'll be able to check them out on their website starting on May 1st. So if you're watching the video when I post it, you won't have access to the ITC deals yet. So be patient and check them out when they are released on May 1st. And I'm going to cover the top deals you should consider for the ITC deals. And if you're not yet a member of ITC, it is $30 a year for the membership, or you can go into the store and opt to get the 2-year plan for 45 bucks, which comes to $1.88 a month. And obviously it's a much better deal to do that inside the store only though for that 2-year plan. All right, so first up is going to be a deal on the Hercules corded recip saw. Offers a keyless blade change, 1.1/8 stroke length, and it has an integrated hang hook to it there on the top. This retails at $99.99, and you'll be able to save 20% on that, which is 20 bucks off, so it's only going to be $80. Another Hercules deal is going to be on the 13 amp 4.5 inch to 6 inch trigger grip angle grinder. It goes up to 10,000 RPM, as a 2-position handle to it, so it just depends on which side you want to hold on to it from, and that is normally priced at 100 bucks as well. And again, you'll be able to save 20% on that, which is 20 bucks off, so it's going to be $80. And here's another Hercules deal. It's on the corded oscillating tool. It's a 3.5 amp one, variable speed, and it has a variable speed dial there on the back part of the tool. It goes between 11,000 to 20,000 oscillatings per minute, and the retail price is 75 bucks. But how about saving 33% on that, which is $25 off, so you pick it up for 50 bucks. And they have pretty decent savings on the Holt Industries 2.3 gallon manual fluid extractor, so it evacuates all kinds of fluids, including engine oil, transmission fluids, gear oil, coolant, and brake fluid. This retails at 90 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 70, which is saving 20 bucks. And it's 22% off. And they have awesome savings on the Pittsburgh 3,000 pound 2-piece vehicle dollies. It has a no slip diamond grip. They're rated at 1,500 pounds each, and they come equipped with the 3-inch swivel casters. This retails at 65 bucks. But how about saving 38% on those, making it only $40, so that's $25 off. And this month they brought on a deal on the Pittsburgh Racing 3-ton aluminum floor jack. It goes up to a max height of 19.1/8 inch, a minimum height of 3.75 inch. It has a rapid dual pump to it, and this is normally priced at 250 bucks. And you can save 20% on that, which is $50 off, and it'd be only 200 bucks, which the savings alone on this would cover a 2-year membership of the ITC membership. So definitely worth it if you're in the market for a aluminum jack. And next up is a deal on the Daytona 3-ton low profile Super Duty floor jack with a rapid pump. This comes available in 5 different colors, and it reaches a max height of 23.1/8 inch and 3.75 of a minimum height. And the retail price is 290 bucks, but you can save 17% on that, which is 50 bucks off, so it'll only be $240. And they have an upgraded version of the fluid extractor, and this one is also a dispenser by Holt Industries. It's also a 2.3 gallon capacity, and this retails at 140 bucks. But how about saving 27% on that, which is $40 off, and you can pick it up for 110 bucks. Getting any value from this video so far, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these deal videos. And also don't forget to comment on this video so you're eligible to win one of the 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. And they have pretty good savings on the Icon aluminum bearing seal and driver set. Comes in a nice hard blow molded plastic case to keep all the parts organized and stored in. These are the adapter sizes that it includes, so you could take a screenshot of that on the 16-piece set. And this retails at 135 bucks. But how about saving $45 on that, which is 33% off, and you can pick it up for $90. And if you're in the market for a MIG welder, they have this one by Titanium. It's the MIG 140. It's powered by 120 volt, has a LED readout, and it's all metal drive system to it. This retails at 500 bucks. And you can save 26% on that, which is $130 off, so it'll only be 370 bucks. And the next deal is going to be on the Bauer 50-foot compact drain cleaning drum machine. It has a steel cable, fits in small spaces, and it clears drains that are 2-inch to 4-inch drains. It also includes a cutter set too, so if you happen to be running into tree roots or other hard items in the drain, then that'd be an excellent set to have with this kit. This retails at 300 bucks, and you'll be able to save 33% on that, which is $100 off, and pick it up for 200 bucks. And if you have a need for a gas-powered cultivator, they have this one by Predator. It has 7-inch durable wheels, offers a 4 to 9-inch tilling width, and 6-inch max tilling depth. It's compact and lightweight design, and this retails at 250 bucks, and you can save 24% on that, which is $60 off, and pick it up for 190. And if you're looking for decent savings on the Predator 2650 psi gas pressure washer, it's rated at 2.4 gallons per minute. Comes with a 25-foot hose and 12-inch wheels. Also offers the onboard detergent tank to it, and this retails at 350 bucks, and you can save $60 on that, making it $290, and that's 17% off. If you missed out on the deal for the Atlas batteries, Hercules and Bauer during the spring Black Friday time, they do have a decent savings on the Atlas 4 amp hour that's rated at 80 volt and 8 amp hour rated at 40 volt. The extreme performance lithium ion battery that's normally at 250 bucks, but you can save 50 bucks on that, making it 200, which is 20% off. And how about saving 25% on this Bauer 11 amp variable speed rotary hammer? It's a 1 9/16 SDS max type rotary hammer. This retails at 150 bucks, and you can save $30 on that, making it 120, which this one appears to have only 2 settings of hammer drill and hammer only modes. So it does not have the third setting with drill only, just so you're aware of that. And they do have a deal on the Bauer 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. It offers a max cut capacity of 12.5 inches of the cross cut, and you can miter 60 degrees right and 52 degrees left. Also offers the shadow cut line system, which is always nice to have, so you can always see right where the blade's going to hit on the piece you're cutting. This is priced at 260 bucks, but you can save $30 on that, making it 220, which is 12% off. But I'd actually recommend waiting for a potential better deal coming up, whether it's going to be 15 or 20% off of one item, which would be better savings. But if you have an immediate need, it's better to save the 12% now. And if you need a new miter saw stand to go with the new miter saw, they have this one by Bauer, and decent savings on it. This one holds 7.25 inch to 12-inch miter saws. It weighs just 50 pounds. Has wheels so you can move it around, and it has the extendable arms to it so you can rest long pieces of wood that you're cutting. And this retails at 120 bucks. And you'll be able to save $20 on that, which is 17% off, and pick it up for 100. And they have another grinder deal. It's on the Bauer 15 amp 7-inch angle grinder. It offers a 3-position handle, and this retails at 100 bucks. But how about saving 30 bucks on that, making it 70, which is 30% off. So if you missed out on the deal on the socket sets, they had a couple parking lot sales ago. They do have a deal on the Icon Impact Swivel socket sets in both the SAE and metric drive. And it's 12-piece set on the SAE 3/8 drive, and these are the sizes that it includes. And then here's the 3/8 drive in the metric that includes 10 millimeter up to 19 millimeter with no skips. They each retail at $115, and you'd be able to save $25 on that, which is 22% off, making it 90 bucks. And obviously during the parking lot sale a couple times ago, it was 35% off all sockets. And the next good deal is going to be on the Quinn Precision Torque Screwdriver set. It's a 22-piece set, and you can adjust the torque between 10 to 50 inch-pounds of torque. It does come with a nice blow-molded case to keep everything organized in. And here are the different bits that it does include, but you can certainly use other bits as well because it has the standard 1/4-inch drive to it. And this retails at 85 bucks. How about saving 29% on that, which is $25 off, and you can pick it up for 60. And yes, there was recently the deal on screwdrivers and pliers where you could have saved 35% on it, but 29% off is still a good deal. And if you missed your chance to pick up the Icon pliers wrench, the 10-inch ones that are basically modeled after the Knipex version, well, they brought on a deal for ITC members. It does retail at 40 bucks. You save 10 bucks on them, which is 25% off, making it 30 bucks, which I do highly recommend these pliers wrench. They're awesome. I have a pair myself and I highly recommend them. And another Icon deal is going to be on the professional wobble socket extension set. It's a 7-piece set. So they have the 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive of the different lengths of extensions. And this retails at 40 bucks, but you'll be able to save 25% on that, which is $10 off, making it 30 bucks. And another Icon deal is going to be on the 25-inch breaker bar in the 1/2 inch drive. This one's going to be the regular style handle, not the comfort grip one. And this one retails at 38 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 25 bucks, which is saving $13, and that's 34% off. That is a good deal. And they also have a deal on the comfort grip breaker bar by Icon, the 25-inch, 1/2 inch drive one. And that one retails at 40 bucks for this one. And you can save 17.5% on that, which is 7 bucks off, making it $33. If your store is like mine, you can definitely tell they are selling out of the G1 Icon ratchets. And since they've been having multiple deals on the ITC deals on the G1s since they are phasing them out. So to no surprise, they brought back other deals for the G1s. If there's any left, in which they have one left in this store, of the 3/8 drive low profile ratchet. It is the short ratchet, and it is currently on an ITC deal at 30 bucks, which is saving $10 on that. Normally priced at 40, but with the new ITC deal, you'll be able to save 38% on that, which is $15 off, making it 25 bucks. Even better deal. And since my store's out of most of these G1 ratchets, I'll just show you the flyer here, and you can certainly pause the video and take a look at the different offerings for May. So definitely some decent deals there, especially on the 1/4 inch drive one, which is the stubby low profile ratchet. That's only 20 bucks, saving 8, which is 29% off. And including the 1/4 inch drive low profile ratchet, that's 30% off, so it's only $23. Then they have the 1/2 inch drive low profile ratchet for only 35 bucks, which is saving 27%. And then they have the 1/2 inch drive flex head ratchet, saving 34%, $18 off, making it 35. So definitely some good deals there if you're looking for some G1 ratchets. 15 more of the G2 ratchets will be hitting the store soon. And if you're looking to pick up the Hercules 16-inch tool bag, they have an excellent deal on this one, as it is normally priced at 17 bucks. But how about saving 41% on that, which is $7 off, making it 10 bucks. That's an excellent deal on it. Next up is a deal on the US General magnetic socket rails, and they are available in the 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive ones, and they are each normally priced at 22 bucks. And how about saving 32% on that, making it 15 bucks, saving 7. And on the 1/4 inch drive, it'll hold 16 sockets, as well as the 3/8 drive and the 1/2 inch. So they're all the same in that aspect. And they have some decent savings on some US General magnetic accessories for your toolboxes. The first one I'm going to cover is going to be on the power and air tool holder. And this one retails at 22 bucks, but you can save 5 bucks on that, making it $17, which is 23% off. And the next one is going to be on the magnetic glove and tissue holder. It's also available in the 9 different colors, and that retails at 15 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 10 bucks, which is 33% off. Excellent deal on that one. And then the next one they have is on the magnetic spray can holder, so it holds 2 spray cans. It also has spots in the front for screwdrivers. It's also available in 9 colors, and that retails at 15 bucks. And you can also save 33% on that one, which makes it 10 bucks. And they have decent savings on the Bremen 24-inch parallel clamp. It is a nice heavy-duty clamp that also offers a lifetime guarantee on it. Also offers up to 1,300 pounds of clamping force, and this retails at 30 bucks. And you can save 17% on that, which is $5 off, making it 25. And if you're looking to pick up some Icon gloves, well, now would be your chance to actually save some money on them. And they're nice. They offer all-day comfort, and they have nice padding to protect the knuckles. These look like durable, heavy-duty gloves, and these are normally priced at 25 bucks, but you can save 20% on that, making it $20, which is $5 off. And if you're looking to pick up some Torx bits from Pittsburgh, they have an awesome deal on this set of the 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive ones. These are the different sizes that it does include. It even has like a little storage rail that it comes with. This retails at 10 bucks, and you'll be able to save 55% on that, making only $4.49, I don't know if I've seen them this low before. It's an excellent deal. So if you picked up a lot of pliers from the recent Spring Black Friday sale, they now have a deal on this U.S. General wire pliers rack. It holds up to 16 pliers to it. It's 14 inches long by 5¼ inches wide and 2.37 inches high. And here's an example of holding different pliers and what it would look like. This does retail at 13 bucks, but you can save 31% on that, making it only 9 bucks, which is $4 off. And if you're looking for a cheaper tool bag than the Hercules one, they have this one by Voyager. It's 11-inch one. It's made of a durable cotton canvas. It has a nice little side pocket there with snap closures, and it retails at 10 bucks. But you'd be able to save 40% on that, make it only $6. That's an excellent deal. And they have a great deal on the Bauer cutoff wheels of the 10-pack. These are the specs of it. So it's the 16th inch thick, and it's type 2742. That retails at 9 bucks. Then you'll be able to save 44% on that, which is $4 off, making it $5. It's an excellent deal. And they brought on a good deal on the Hercules corner detail sanding sheets. It's a 6-pack that offers the 80, 100, and 120 grit. They also have the hook and loop backing to them, and these are retailed at 8 bucks. But you can save 50% on that, making it only $4. That's an excellent deal on them. And they have a pretty good deal on the Chicago Electric plasma cutter. It's a 20 amp one, rated at 120 volt, has an LED indicator on it. It's normally priced at 350 bucks. And how about saving $100 on that, making it 250, which makes it 29% off. It's a good deal. All right, that's going to be the top deals I'm going to cover for the ITC deals for the month of May. So you do have until May 28th, and they start on May 1st. If you gain any value from this video, I really do appreciate you give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more of these deal videos. And don't forget to comment below to make you eligible to win one of these toolkits. And again, I'll be doing the drawing on May 10th. And good luck. I really do appreciate the support and appreciate you watching. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.